Hello friends, welcome to our channel All About Guns. In this video, we'll show you the different parts of .32 Smith & Wesson revolver. So let's start identifying the parts. First we have the stocks or the grips and the screw. There is only one screw and this is the left and the right grips. Next we have the side plate. This is called the side plate. Then we have the mainspring. This is called the hammer block. Now we have the rebound slide and the rebound spring. Together this is called the rebound assembly. Then we have the cylinder, .32 caliber cylinder. It holds 6 cartridges. Then this is the yoke. It's assembled like this. Next we have the cylinder lock and the cylinder lock spring. Next part is the hammer. This is the hammer of .32 Smith & Wesson revolver. Then we have the trigger. This part is called the trigger and the hand. Now we have the receiver and the barrel. So the last part is the 3 screws of the side plate. These screws are used to lock the side plate. So these are all the parts of Smith & Wesson .32 revolver. Thank you for watching our video. Keep coming back for more such videos and don't forget to share and subscribe our channel All About Guns. Thank you.